Hello everyone, this is Gear Sticker. We disassemble the entire gearbox from the outer casing to the core. Helical gear sets. Precision cleaning and inspection. Every component is thoroughly cleaned and meticulously inspected for wear pitting and hidden damage. Measurement, systems dial gauges and micrometers we ensure perfect bearing alignment and gear mesh. Expert reassembly. The gearbox is rebuilt to original specifications with precise torque. Calibration ensuring maximum reliability and performance. This comprehensive overhaul process guarantees smooth operation, eliminates premature wear, and significantly extends the service life of critical rotating equipment. Tools in action, alignment system, dial indicators, micrometers, torque wrenches, expertise. Applied, bearing preload, analysis, gear mesh pattern checking. Shaft runout measurement. Follow Gears Taiga for more secrets of gears and engineering. Complete teardown, using advanced alignment.